A slow cooker is a countertop appliance designed to simmer food at a low, steady temperature over several hours, making it perfect for preparing soups, stews, and tenderized meats. Its convenience and energy efficiency make it ideal for busy lifestyles, allowing for hands-free cooking while enhancing flavors. That's why I've done the hard work for you, hours of research, reading countless reviews to bring you the very best options available. Whether you're looking for comfort, support, or value, this list has something for everyone. Stick around, and if you're curious about the details or prices, check the description below. Choosing the perfect slow cooker can be overwhelming with so many options out there, each offering different features, benefits, and price points. Now, let's dive into the top slow cooker that could transform your comfort. Product 1. Crockpot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker. In a saturated digital world, sometimes a humble, manual appliance is a breath of fresh air. There's no bells and whistles on this stainless steel slow cooker. Just a simple dial with the options to cook on low, high, or to keep food warm. Does your go-to slow cooker chili recipe really need anything else? The insert is large, the design is simple and clean, and the price is a bargain hunter's dream come true. Plus, it made super tender beef paprikash in our test. There's no automatic shutoff, so it's an ideal model for someone who's homebound and slow cooking on a budget. Product 2. Instant Pot Duo. The Instant Pot Duo 6-quart is a 7-in-1 cooking appliance and earned top accolades for its amazing range of features and options. This slow cooker does it all, from pressure cooking and a sauté function to rice, yogurt, and more, and it's pretty reasonably priced. The one downside we noted was that cleaning the pot and lid was a fairly tedious job. However, if you're not afraid of a little dishwashing, the Duo's many options provide you with far more flexibility than you get with other slow cookers. So if you like buying a quality product that will provide you with endless cooking options at a reasonable price, this is it. Reasons to buy. Extremely feature-rich. Locking lid. Delicious rice and veggies. Offers much more than just slow cooking. Product 3. Crockpot 2-quart round manual slow cooker. This crockpot is the best choice for beginners, as it earned perfect scores in both heat performance and ease of cleaning. And you can't beat the price. At 2 quarts, it's just large enough to make 5 servings of pulled pork, but it's a lot easier to store in small, shallow kitchen cabinets compared to the slightly larger 2.5-quart size. The interior liner is oven-safe too. While this is likely too small for households with 4 or more, it's just right for couples who want dinner plus leftovers. As for dips, we didn't find any breaks or scorches, and it kept cheese perfectly melty for hours. If you're looking for a slow cooker that can prepare meals for 2 during the week and serve tailgate snacks for a larger crowd on the weekend, this is your buy. It's just the right size for dinner plus leftovers for a couple or household of 2. Product 4. Hamilton Beach Temp Tracker 6-quart. A strong performer with an accessible price point and the convenient option to cook and carry, a very reasonable price point and outstanding features make the Hamilton Beach Temp Tracker 6-quart one of our top value-minded recommendations. Perfect for those gone-all-day meals, this classic cooker is solid and dependable, good for cooking anything. We also like the locking lid for carrying this cooker to gatherings. The only downsides we found are that the handles rattle while the unit is cooking, and the stoneware insert is rather heavy. Reasons to buy. Temperature probe. Locking lid. Excellent cooking performance. Product 5. Crockpot 6-quart cook and carry. This model boasts intuitive programming, high-quality performance, and enough capacity to feed everyone at your next potluck. The Crockpot 6-quart cook and carry has the quality of the classic crockpot name, with a capacity that is perfect for a larger family or for carrying to your latest potluck. The buttons are so easy and intuitive that you don't even need directions, and the extra long handles on the sides and secure locking lid with a gasket ensure that things arrive where you are going without spilling or burns. That said, be careful with getting too close to this cooker when in use because the sides do get hot, and the unit is heavy. But this is a well-constructed, easily programmed classic slow cooker that works very well for a family and anyone who doesn't want to spend nopsen. That wraps it up for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more daily content. For product prices or further details, check the description below. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment. I'm here to help. Stay tuned for more awesome products that are sure to make your life easier and more comfortable. See you in the next one.